Every diesel owner has wasted money on at least one fuel treatment that promised the world and delivered nothing. You buy it, you pour it in, and your truck runs exactly the same as before. Meanwhile, your injectors are quietly wearing down, and the repair bill creeping toward you is very real. Today, I am exposing the 10 diesel fuel additives that actually work. The ones that protect your injectors, boost reliability, and keep your diesel running strong mile after mile. Stay until the end, because I will also call out the biggest diesel additive scam still sitting on store shelves right now. Number 10. Hotshot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Let's kick things off with one that has saved more fuel pumps than most mechanics can count. Hotshot's Secret ET is not just clever marketing, it is a multi-tool in a bottle. It raises lubricity, cleans injectors, stabilizes fuel, and fights moisture, all in a single treatment. Diesel owners have brought Power Strokes and Duramaxes into the shop coughing and idling rough. And after just one tank with ET, those same engines run smooth again. The reason it works so well comes down to their proprietary lubricity additive, which protects high-pressure CP4 fuel pumps. Those pumps are notorious for catastrophic failure and can cost up to $8,000 to replace. With today's ultra-low sulfur diesel stripped of its natural lubricity, ET acts like a layer of armor around your entire fuel system. But ET is just the beginning. What comes next is an old-school diesel secret that has been passed down through generations of truck drivers. Number 9. Power Service Diesel Clean Plus Cetane Boost. This bottle has been riding in diesel truck cabs since the early 2000s, and for good reason. Diesel Clean does not just clean your injectors, it bumps cetane levels by up to 6 full points, which means quicker cold starts, a smoother idle, and stronger pulls under heavy load. Sluggish diesel engines wake up noticeably after running a tank with this stuff. Truck owners swear by it for winter starts and long highway hauls, and it is affordable enough to use every single fill-up, while Diesel Clean keeps combustion clean and smooth. The next additive on this list fights one of diesel's most dangerous hidden enemies, and that enemy is water. Number 8. Stanadyne Performance Formula. This one comes straight from the people who actually engineer diesel injection systems. Stanadyne's Performance Formula carries OEM approval from Ford, GM, John Deere, and Navistar, which means it is not snake oil. It boosts cetane, adds lubricity, and guards against corrosion throughout the fuel system. What makes it truly stand out, though, is its water demulsifier. It forces water to settle at the bottom of the tank, where it can be drained out, rather than pushed through your injectors. For anyone running farm equipment, backup generators, or diesel trucks in humid climates, this additive is cheap insurance with serious credentials. Speaking of insurance, the next one is a lifesaver for any diesel that sits unused for weeks at a time. Number 7. Tron Enzyme Diesel Fuel Treatment. Diesel has its own fuel stability problems that most people never think about. Let diesel sit long enough, and actual living microbes can grow inside your tank, turning your fuel into black, clogging sludge. Tron solves that problem using enzymes rather than alcohol, so there is no risk of damaging seals or sensors. Yet it is powerful enough to restore degraded fuel that has been sitting for months. Generators, tractors, and boats that sat with stale diesel have fired up on the very first crank after a single treatment. But sometimes the problem is not old fuel. Sometimes it is brutal cold, and that is exactly what number 6 handles. Number 6. How's Diesel Treat Anti-Gel? Ask any diesel truck owner in the northern states about frozen fuel lines, and they will probably bring up How's. This additive is built for one purpose: keeping diesel flowing when temperatures drop hard. It prevents fuel from gelling, adds lubricity, and even gives cetane a boost. At 20 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, untreated diesel turns into wax. How's keeps it liquid in your engine running. Gelled fuel means a no start and a tow bill. Pour How's in ahead of the cold season, and you will not be making that call, while How's protects you in winter. The next additive gives your injectors a serious deep clean, no matter the season. Number 5. Liqui-Moly Super Diesel Additive. Coming straight out of Germany, Liqui-Moly carries TV certification, which means it passed one of the toughest independent automotive testing standards in the world. This additive cleans injectors, reduces engine knock, and improves combustion efficiency. High-mileage Sprinter vans and Mercedes diesel engines have smoothed out noticeably after just one tank. Throttle response sharpens, excess smoke clears, and fuel mileage ticks upward. Liqui-Moly is the choice when you want a serious clean. But the next additive is about protecting your fuel system every single day without fail. Number 4. Lucas Extreme Duty Fuel Treatment. Lucas has products that lean more toward hype than performance. But the Extreme Duty Diesel treatment is one of their genuinely solid offerings. It adds lubricity, stabilizes fuel, and keeps injectors clean over time. It is especially valuable when running ultra-low sulfur diesel, which strips away natural protection. The formula is highly concentrated, so a small amount covers a full tank. Think of it as everyday armor rather than a last resort fix. But if you want real documented numbers showing horsepower gains and better fuel economy, the next additive brings actual data. Number 3. Royal Purple Max-Tane. Royal Purple takes performance seriously, and Max-Tane is a 6-in-1 diesel additive that backs its claims with lab results. It raises cetane, improves fuel economy, cleans injectors, reduces emissions, adds lubricity, and stabilizes fuel. Independent testing has shown up to 5% gains in fuel mileage and up to 10% reductions in emissions. Those are not marketing numbers. Those come from real dyno and emissions testing. Daily drivers have noticed sharper throttle response after a single tank. But while Royal Purple proves itself in controlled testing, the next one has earned its reputation out in the field. Number 2. Opti-Lube XPD. Bring up the best diesel additive in any serious diesel community, and Opti-Lube XPD comes up consistently. Independent testing ranks it among the top performers for lubricity improvement. It reduces injector wear, boosts cetane, and improves fuel efficiency in measurable ways. Fleet operators run it religiously because fuel savings add up fast across dozens of working diesel trucks. The formula also fights moisture contamination and keeps the entire fuel system clean. But there is one additive, above all others, that mechanics quietly rely on and would rather keep to themselves. Number 1. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam is the Swiss Army knife of diesel additives. It works across fuel systems, oil systems, and intake systems. It cleans injectors, breaks up carbon deposits, stabilizes stored fuel, and can even quiet noisy lifters. Old farm diesel trucks that had not turned over in years have come back to life within a few miles after a seafoam treatment. It is simple, safe, and has been trusted since 1942. Ask any experienced mechanic what they keep in their shop, and there is a strong chance a can of seafoam is within arm's reach. Today's diesel fuel is not doing your engine any favors. Ultra-low sulfur fuel strips lubricity, moisture sneaks into tanks, and carbon builds up silently over thousands of miles. These 10 additives are not optional extras. They are essential tools for keeping your diesel alive long past its warranty. Choose the right ones, and your engine will run strong for years to come.